Okay. No music. Talagang serious. Go on. First question. What does the acronym CCBPI stand for? Yes! Next question. Name at least 3 Coca-Cola brands. Three. Yes, oh, TP. Yes, okay. Okay. How many years has Coca-Cola been in the Philippines? Team B got it correct. Get the product. Complete the following. Tapos ipon, basta blank panalo. Celebrated in June for the founding anniversary of the civil government. Yes, Team A! Team A got it correctly! Yes! Okay. What is Coca-Cola's global sustainability commitment goal? Complete na lang. Completed. World Blank Waste. World Blank Waste. World Blank Waste. W din. It's also a W word. World Blank Waste. Team A and Team B, parang kulelan tayo, no? Sa question na ito. Yes, Team B, correct. Parang isang minuto tayo dun, ha? Okay. Okay, oh. True or false? Bet Value Philippines is the first bottle tobacco recycling facility in the Philippines. True, Team B. Sir, gusto ko talaga natin this year's Barangay celebrates how many years since the founding of the civil government of Palawan?
126.
Ay!
126.
Siya na una. Team A! Yes naman! Nakatawa! Team A! Grabe naman yan, no? May non-alcoholic ready-to-drink ARTD product of Coca-Cola. Ay, go! Yes, tama. Team B! Team B, correctly! Yes! A recent painting competition in Live with Barangatan Festival was held at one historical museum that features the culture and arts of Palawan. Yes, Palawan heritage. This is the correct answer, Team A. Where is the CCBPI office or plant located in Palawan?
Puerto Princesa North National Highway, Tiniguan, Puerto Princesa City.
What if kayo na yung champion? What if? That's the correct answer. Did you get it? Alright. Okay. Grabe. Grabe ang labanan natin. Kita nyo naman, oh. Pa-wild card na. Okay. Eto, mabilisan na. Mabilisan to. It's a sugar and calorie-free alternative to a regular Coca-Cola. May coaching eh. Pero Team A yung nauna, so I'm so sorry, okay? Okay, ano ba yan? Sayang naman sir, nauna na yung Team A eh. Okay. Next na. It's a clear lemon lime flavored carbonated soft drink produced by Coca-Cola. Yes, correct, Team B! That's the iconic orange flavor. This is the correct answer. Naku naman, oh! Naku naman! Eto, this is a tricky question. A tricky question. How many C's are there in Coca-Cola? No, TP! You forgot the correct answer, yes? Isa na lang lilipad ng TV. What is Coca-Cola's new lemon black tea drink? What is Coca-Cola? This is the last question. It seems like, who is CCBPI's commercial unit director who just drew the raffle? Kanina.